coffee. Right, that's better. Hello guys, and welcome to today's video. In today's video we're going to be talking a little about what I've got planned for the channel. Now today you join me in my March 1 Audi TT. It's the 3.2 V6 DSG model. It's done just under 104,000. It's completely standard. Bodywork wise, it's not the best. Okay, it does have a few marks here and there, lack of pill and so on. Mechanically wise, pretty much spot on. I only need some new window wipers as well. Let's get some heating on in here. It's absolutely cold. I like nice cars. I like modifying cars. I just like cars full stop. So now we get on to the subject of what we're going to be doing on this channel. I've got £2,000 to spend. We're going to start by buying a car. We'll buy a car for maybe £1,500. That allows us £500 to spend to repair any problem with the car and so on. And then what we'll do is we'll then sell that car, and whatever we make on that car will then go straight back in. Argument's sake, say we buy a car for £1,600, we spend £400 on it, that takes us up to £2,000. We sell the car for £2,500. What I'm going to be doing is using that money again for another car. The sort of cars I'm going to be buying is going to be a wide variety from ages, ranges, models. Some are going to be your used, unrecorded cars. Some are going to be insurance write-offs, stolen, recovered. They're going to be absolutely anything. I want to get as much variety on the channel as I possibly can to make it interesting. Now, I've been looking at I'm watching on the auction at the moment is a 2003 BMW E46. Now it has got 87 on the clock. It's used unrecorded, so it's not if it has been in an accident. Be very careful when you buy from auctions, because especially when you buy from Copart, because if you buy from Copart, the majority of them cars on there they've been in an accident, or they've been stolen, or they've been in an accident but they haven't been declared a write-off because they haven't got through the insurance now. But from what I can see from the pictures, it looks a fairly clean car, and also, you know, finance repossessions. A lot of finance companies, they sell through the auctions as well. But this car that I'm looking at the moment, it's looking promising. Now I've had a look online, and these range from between, in good condition, between 2.5 to 3 grand. So what we're going to do, if we do get this car, we're going to get it up to excellent standard before we come to sell it. You know, that's what this channel is going to be about, getting the cars that we get come in up to a really good standard to then sell on, so the future buyer, whoever buys these cars, they don't have anything to do to the car, they can just get in it, peace of mind, just drive, and everything that needs to be done to the car is done. Right, I hope that's cleared that up. We're going to touch on that a little more later on. Now on the channel as well, I'm going to be doing a lot of work to my own cars. I've got a lot of great content coming up for my cars. I own 3 cars. Today you're going to be seeing 2 cars. The other car is in the body shop. Okay, I'm not going to reveal what that car is yet. I'm going to save that for a later video, and we're going to go to the body shop. We're going to see what's going on there, what's happening, what I'm having done, and plans for that car. You know what this car is? What 90s classic car have I got in the garage? Let's go and find out. Right, so here it is. This is my 1991 Mark II Golf. It's not a GTI, it's the driver. It's actually in very good condition for the age. It's a 28-year-old car. Now, if you see the wheels, I've got 16-inch Porsche D90s. Now they're staggered. They've got 6J on the front, I think, and then 8.5 on the rears. The clutch does need doing on the car, but I'm going to be changing the engine as well. We'll get to that in a second. If you look under here, you'll see a small patch of rust. We're going to have to take that panel off and get that sorted. Yeah, so I was saying we're going to be changing the engine in this. I've got a Mark IV Golf 1.8 turbo 20 valve engine to be going in this, so that will be done at the beginning of next year. See there, I've put the GTI spoiler on. It sort of sets the back off nicely. I've also deleted the rear wiper. Again, it just tidies the back of the car up. Now I've gone for the crystal headlights on the car. I have got the smokes set and the original amber headlights as well. But I'm liking these on this car. I think they suit the white on the car. As you can see, still got the standard exhaust, but that will all be changed when I change the engine out. A big conversion coming up. But yeah, I mean, other than that, it's a clean car. It was a good base to start with. Interior wise, it's very bog standard. Still got your standard driver interior in. We are going to be changing it out for some nicer seats, maybe a nicer steering wheel. We're going to have a look under the bonnet. Now, coming in. Oh, you also see I've got the GTI grille on there. It's just little bits and bobs that I've added onto the car. Now it's just the 1.8 8-valve engine. As you can see, the engine bay has seen better days. When we get the engine out, we will be cleaning that up properly. And yeah, so it's got a Weber carb on this engine. You can see it right there. On top of it, I've put a Ram air filter on just to sport it up a little bit. I mean, it is a very quick car. It's surprisingly quick for what I thought it would be. I'm very impressed with these engines, you know. What else is there? Let's have a look at the Audi now. Now this is the Audi TT. I bought this from Copart. I bought it to break for parts, but I've actually put an MOT on it. I have put new tyres on it. You can see the BBS RS2 alloys on it, 8.5J. The roof has seen better days. I mean, bodywork wise, it is, it's not the best. You see the rear quarter there, it's seen better days. Not overly fussed about bodywork wise. You see I'm just pointing to the bad bits of the car and down there on the bumper. But I'm not overly fussed again about the bodywork because I will be breaking this for parts. Got the V6, got the extended spoiler there, standard from factory. I'm going to be keeping the engine. That's going to be going into my other car that's in the body shop. We'll touch on that in a later episode. Everything else I will just take off the car. You see there the centre cap. I just haven't put it on yet. But yeah, everything else will be stripped and sold, and we're going to recoup some money back that way. Wheels, I'm a big fan of the wheels. Now we're going to have a look under the engine bay. The interior wise, it's got the cream leathers. They're not my cup of tea, but you know, they will sell. It's pretty clean inside. I mean, I've got loads of stuff in there, but other than that, it does clean up well. Right, let's have a look under the bonnet. Now you'll find these engines, they come in the Mark IV Golf, the 3.2, the R32s. They come in the Mark V Golf, obviously come in the Mark I TTs and the Mark II TTs. So they're a very common engine. But this is what I'll be keeping. This will be going, like I said, into my other car, but it will all make sense in future videos, so I wouldn't worry too much about that now. But for now, we're just gonna have a bit of fun with this car, drive it for a bit, make sure the engine runs sweet. We're gonna give it a service as well. It's due a service, so we're gonna service this car. And yeah, so there you have it, guys. Right guys, I think I'm going to wrap the video up there for today. If you like the video, please hit the thumbs up. If you're new, please click subscribe. If you click the bell notification next to it, it will then notify you when I next post a video. What do you guys think of my cars? Please let me know down below in the comments. And as well, what do you think of the idea for the channel? It'd be good to hear your guys' thoughts. Join me in the next episode where we will be buying the first car for the channel to sell. We're going to be buying from auction. Will it be that BMW E46 that I was talking about? or will it be something else? I don't know yet. I'm yet to buy it. The auction is later on today, so please join me next week, or rather the next episode. I'm not sure when that'll be. We'll find out. Take it easy, guys. I'll see you in the next episode.